Hello and welcome to this short demonstration of our ADA Analytics Data Agent. In this demonstration, we'll show how it's possible to perform variance analysis using natural language. So first of all, let's see a breakdown of our sales by division. Show me our revenue by division for 2024. Now, one of the first things you might want to do when doing variance analysis is compare your sales performance with your forecast. Compare with forecast. And here you see our sales and sales forecast numbers side by side. Now, the next thing we might want to do is see the actual variances between the two numbers. Show variances. Now, in this case, I said variances plural, which means that not only will we bring the variance between the numbers as an absolute number, we'll also see the percentage variance. And there we are. We see the sales forecast, the variance as a whole number, and then also the variance as a percentage. Now, what we can see here quite clearly is we have one division, which is retail, that has the highest variance, and it's 291,000 down at the moment. Now, what we can do is we could ask further questions where we can go and drill down and analyze that in more detail, or we could get AI to do it for us. What is driving the negative variance in retail? So by asking this question, we're asking AI to go and drill down through all our dimension hierarchies and then come back to us with an explanation as to which parts of the business are contributing mostly to that negative variance. And here we can see the breakdown. And in our case, it is the wealth management division that's driving the biggest variance within retail. But we also see a nice summary showing parts of the business that are up, but also parts of the business that are down. Now, up until now, I've been asking questions using voice. We can ask questions by text, but we can also perform drill downs and drill throughs. So what I'm going to do now is ask to see a profit and loss for the retail division. So I'm going to click on retail and then just select profit and loss. And here's our interactive profit and loss report. It's very useful when you have a P&L to be able to compare it with either previous years or your forecast. So what we'll do first is compare it with the previous year. Compare with 2023 and show difference. So Ada has gone off and run our P&L for 2024. She's run our P&L for 2023, put the results side by side, and is now presenting the difference between the two sets of numbers. Now, instead of comparing with previous year, we can also compare with our forecast. Compare with forecast and show variances. And here's our P&L with comparisons with forecast and also showing our variances. And we can drill into this P&L as far as we want to as well. Now, just as a final feature, we can use AI to summarize the information that's on display. So let's say I need to provide my senior management with five bullet points summarizing this P&L. Summarize this P&L in 5 bullet points. And there we go. There's a nice AI-generated summary of our profit and loss. That concludes the demo. please get in touch if you'd like to see any more or would like any further information.